You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is y smaller than -16. Let's solve it step by step. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Subtract 6 from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the y. Multiply both sides by 4. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Convert the y into a positive number. Multiply both sides by -1. Whenever you multiply or divide by a negative, reverse the inequality sign. Remove the ones. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is y smaller than -16.